Well, hello to everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. Actually, this is my first English spoken video, and I decided to make a small video about the area of Gouves. Gouves is a well-known resort area, and we have a lot of big hotels here around. We started from Cretaquarium, which you can find easily in the map, and a place which attracts lots of people and visitors during summertime. So now we are in the early April, and let's check out how the area looks like. Actually, we are inside a former American base which is abandoned, but lately the place has started to have some interesting spots to visit. We are driving now eastwards, and during summertime there are a lot of places where you can come and enjoy your swim. This year we had a very hard winter, and you can see that. Okay, as far as I know, hotels are already preparing for the next tourist season, which will start, I guess, in a month or so. So let me drive closely to the seafront. The area will be totally different during summertime. A lot of people here enjoying sea and sun, and the Cretan hospitality, which is famous. Well, those here are two beaches where you can come and swim and enjoy. Those will be full with visitors. Today as far as I can understand, some work is going on some of the hotels. The big hotels, at least, they are preparing because they will start in 1 month. Okay, if you have checked my other video about the area, you will see a slight difference. In that video, which I will give you in the description, you can check the area during summertime, but now only work is going on here, restoration work. Okay, but now it's winter time, and okay. Gouves is about 20 kilometers eastwards of Heraklion, so even if you stay in Heraklion, it's very close and you can visit very easily. And as you can see, far there, there's Chersonissos, the area of Chersonissos. So we can say that, well, from Heraklion until Chersonissos, there are a lot of places you can visit and enjoy. You can combine, of course, your visit to the area with a visit to the aquarium, or you can combine it with a visit to the Maglia Antiquities. Depends from your personal schedule, but Gouves worth visiting. All these rocks, I guess it's from the huge waves that we had during winter time. Everything will start looking different in 10-15 days or so. After the first arrivals of visitors. Here is one of my favorite spots. This small beach here, and a nice restaurant which is well known in the area. One of the luxurious places that we have for your accommodation. In general, it's a place that can provide whatever you need in order to relax and enjoy some days of vacation in Crete. So the ride stops somewhere here because now I have to turn right because of this huge 5-star hotel, and return to the main road which leads from Agios Nikolaos to Heraklion. Personally, I will drive towards Heraklion, and maybe one other day I will show you how to drive from Cretaquarium to Chersonissos, which is a very straightforward drive. It's very easy. Okay, spring is almost here, huh? So that was it. Thanks for watching my first English spoken video. I hope you enjoyed. Feel free to ask me any question. I would be glad to answer them, and I will add some tourist info in the description. So until our next video, be safe and bye bye.